So we're walking to the other side of the cenote, kind of the path less traveled. This is so cool. I don't know.
I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't come back. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind. Hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again.
The Carwash Cenote. Little known, not the most popular, but it was just great for us starting with the cenote. Okay, so I went to an ATM, which was kind of fun. It was all in Spanish, but I got about $300. I want to show you what that looks like in pesos. So it's about $300 here, all at $100, 100 peso. But the thing is, I can't close my wallet. So I feel rich. Let's go spend it.
Got what you want?
Should make your own tortilla.
Wow. Make más tortilla. Esto. Picante. Muy picante.
Este es muy fuerte.
Muy fuerte.
Este y este. Este no tiene nada.
Honey, what is it?
It's the best taco I've ever had in my life. Oh my God. One of our favorite things to do became to walk from our hotel and go right downtown to Tulum Avenue. Tons of shops, restaurants, bars, food, music everywhere you walked. The street area down here has a really good vibe, and each night we would go out and try and find something new to explore. We tried to stay away from the mariachis because they can be pretty damn annoying and loud, but we ran into these guys. I was able to talk them into doing Santana. Check it out.
Oye, cómo va mi ritmo, bueno pa' gozar, mulata. Oye, cómo va mi ritmo, bueno pa' gozar, mulata.
Good morning, everybody. Well, it's quite early. It's, for us anyway, it's 7:45, and we're going to go on a tour today. It's called the Mayan Underworld. So we get to go to some Mayan ruins, I believe, and we're going to go underneath a river underground and go through several cenotes. It's supposed to be absolutely beautiful. This is like a private cenote that only this tour group, is my understanding, gets to have access to. So, stay tuned. This should be good. But before the cenote, we get to go snorkeling in Soliman Bay. Okay, we are in Soliman Bay and about to get into the boat to go out to the reef. I found out that the reef here is the second largest reef in the world, behind the Great Barrier Reef. and it's actually dying. They're thinking that it's gonna, about 90% of it is sick right now, which is really amazing that that's happening. I think it's a combination of things like global warming, it's a combination of things like sunscreen, it's boats, high tourist activity, that type of thing, that all combined is killing the reef. And the temperature probably is the number one thing of the water changing. But anyway, long story short, we're going to go out on this boat and snorkel for a while, then come back and do the underwater cenote and the underwater river caves.
Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Amarte es mi maña, que lo que toca mi mano se daña. Pero amor es lo que dicen, como un color entre los grises. Yo nunca te fallé, tú no eres cualquiera. Tú eres la mujer, mi corazón anhela. Pasan por ahí todos y todas esas poses que tú conoces. Gracias a mi mujer, ni tu amigo, pero en vivo solo contigo disfruto el show, bebé. Alright, cita, dime pa' dónde vas, que yo te caigo donde...
Sorry guys for the terrible transition. We're missing a piece of video here. But went from snorkeling straight out to this private cenote, which is actually a river, and it's a cave that you've got to climb down into. You have to have a flashlight. And the idea is you float along this river for quite a ways. I bet it's at least a half a mile that you're floating this river through a cave. It was an incredible cave. They had blind catfish, they had regular catfish that lived down there. There were crickets with these 1-inch crickets with 4-inch antenna. Water was really nice. At first it was kind of chilly, but you got used to it pretty quick. Check this out. Then we were on our way out. The Mayans believed that there are 3 levels of existence. The underworld, which we're leaving right now, the world that we live and exist in at present, and then the heaven above. They believe when you die, you're sent to the underworld to face challenges. After you pass these challenges, you can come up through the roots that grow down from the Saba tree, the tree of life, and climb these roots up through the hollow trunk of the Saba tree and ascend to heaven. exploring the underground that day was spectacular. I hope you enjoy our videos. Please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and we hope to see you very soon.